I was like, oh my god, it tastes like waffles. It really tastes like waffles. Hi everybody, good morning. It is Monday morning. My daughter is off to school. Actually, I dropped her off quite a while ago. It's about 11:30 now. Say hi to Gracie May. Yeah, hi. I'm starting to get a little hungry now. Actually, I was really hungry earlier, but I had stuff I had to do. So far this morning I've had a couple cups of coffee. I just put like a tablespoon of heavy cream in them. Yeah, tell me more. So right now, yesterday, I made low carb waffles. It's actually a pretty good recipe, and they're pretty low in carbs. They're about 2 net carbs per waffle. They're made with almond flour and flax meal, and the surprising secret ingredient is mozzarella cheese. So they are pretty tasty. I'm gonna pop those in the in my, I almost said microwave, my toaster oven, and we'll get that going, and I'll show you what they look like. All right, hold on. Okay, so there are my waffles cooking away in the toaster oven. My batter makes 10 waffles, and so what I did was I actually had a couple of them that were really big, like they filled up the whole thing, and then some of them that were kind of tiny. So I'm mixing and matching. I got a big one and a tiny one to kind of balance out the macros on it. I always feel so funny when I say macros, like I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah, would you, baby? You see yourself? Here you are. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that toasted up. I freeze them so that they're ready to go, and since it makes 10 of them, I got a gallon bag in the freezer, so I get those ready to go. Oh, there with the binky. I get those ready to go in the freezer, so that like on a morning like today, I can just take a couple out and pop them in the toaster. So we will pull those out, and I'll make them all pretty looking, and I'll show you what they look like in a minute. Okay, so there are my waffles. Pretty, aren't they? I don't know how I did it, but I ran out of butter. So I have a very small sliver left. So I am going to save that for something a little later. So instead of butter, I'm going with whipped cream. That I was easy to do last night. I just whipped that up and kept it in my fridge, so I've got a little bit left for a few days. So yeah, that's gonna be my breakfast. My pretty waffles. It's a recipe I tend to tweak like every time that I make it. I tend to do something a little different, but I will post this recipe probably on my WordPress blog, just so that it's out there. I'll probably do a pumpkin one during like September or October, but we'll see. I'm always sort of tweaking this one to try and get it to taste better. It's one of the few that I've tasted that I really liked, because like I've said before, don't really like faux food. Things that are supposed to taste like the real thing but don't. Like those whole pancake things. But pancakes and waffles were some of my favorite thing. And the first time I tried this recipe, I like cried out. I was like, oh my god, it tastes like waffles. It really tastes like waffles. So it's pretty good. So we will talk to you guys later. Say bye, Grace. Say bye-bye. And I'm probably going to do maybe a chicken salad. I got a whole bunch of roasted chicken for dinner. So we'll see about that. See you later. Good morning, everybody. As you can tell, I did not make the chicken salad yesterday. I am hoping to today. Last night I just ended up eating some leftovers. I had the cheesy cauliflower that I'd made the other day, and a leftover hamburger from Friday. So I just kind of made a bowl of that, and I think a fried egg on top. So dinner was just sort of thrown together last night. I figured I'd just pop in and say something this morning. Hopefully I'll get that done. I'm not sure. Today is my hubby's birthday. So he wants to go out for lunch. He wants to go to Mike's Pizza down the road from us. So I'll probably end up eating chicken wings at that point, because they do have good chicken wings. But our eldest, he took our eldest to school this morning, and I am sitting here with the baby. All right, my husband's actually walking in the door, so I will talk to y'all later.